Ginugunita natin ngayong Pebrero ang Down Syndrome Consciousness Month, layo ng pagdiriwang na mabigyang pansin at maalis ang diskriminasyon sa mga taong may Down Syndrome. Ayon sa Health Department, isa sa bawat 800 bata sa buong mundo ay may ganitong kondisyon. Paano ba ang wastong pangangalaga sa mga may Down Syndrome at ano ang mga hamon at tulong sa kanilang pamilya? Tinalakay namin yan ni Down Syndrome Association of the Philippines Chairperson Elmer La Peña. Narito ang kanyang panayam sa ating serbisyo ngayon.
Yung nature talaga ng Down syndrome is chromosomal. So it's a genetic disorder that's actually random genetic disorder. Napaka-importante na malaman na random genetic disorder yon kasi a lot of people don't know na ito ay dahil sa genes and akala nila ay kung ano-ano mga dahilan na nalahian sila or whatever. Pero hindi po totoo yon. And it helps a lot sa acceptance ng condition ng mga anak nila.
Okay, so paano mo siya nadadiagnose?
Yung chromosomal nature can be verified by yung chromosomal test or karyotype. Doon makikita na yung chromosome pair number 21 ay actually tatlo ang kopya ng number 21. Kaya siya tinatawag din na trisomy 21.
Yeah, but before you even get dun sa ganyang technical test, ay manifestation sa isang bata para maisip mo na baka meron siyang ganun.
Yun nga yung features nila no, na magkakapareho. So, yung epicanthal folds, yun yung fold ng mata na mahabang ganito. Tapos, yung nose nila usually mas mababa, low bridge kung tawagin. Tapos, downset ears. And then, malaki yung tongue. And then, webbed yung neck. So, yung mga features na yan, make them also look similar. No? Kaya kung minsan makikita nila, uy, meron siyang Down syndrome.
Okay, pero kanina, yung kaugnay na rin doon sa binanggit mo kanina na random siya, di ba? Dahil sa genes, yun yung gusto kong paki-explain further. Na, are you born with it? Na mamana, di ba yung sinasabi mo na baka nahalahian? Yes, can you explain that?
Yes, oo. All of us have a copy of yung genes na galing sa father at sa mother. No? So 23 from the father, 23 from the mother. Kung minsan doon sa pag-develop ng mga cells, no, nagkakamali, instead of having one copy ng 21 doon sa isa, nagkakaroon ng dalawa. So pag pinagsama doon sa kabila na isa, nagiging tatlo. So yun yung trisomy 21, no? When it's on the 21st chromosome.
So how does that happen? Through pregnancy or sinabi mo genes or yeah?
Actually, randomly nagkakamali na lang yung yung nature.
Parang it's a natural process.
Yeah, dapat hati yun dapat one each pero nagkakamali.
So it's not because kunwari during pregnancy you have to eat the right kind of food and medicine. Walang kinalaman sa ganon.
Wala po.
Okay, so how do you deal with a child who has Down syndrome?
Well, una sa lahat yung acceptance is very important. And that's why mahalagang malaman nila na ito ay hindi nila ginawa. Wala silang kasalanan na nagkaroon ng Down syndrome yung anak nila. And dahil doon, ma-accept o matanggap nila yung bata and ma-realize nila yung mga kailangan gawin. And that's where the Down Syndrome Association comes in. Kasi we are parents who have volunteered to do this service to other parents. No? Para matanggap nila kaagad. And the sooner they can accept, the sooner they can start with the right programs or interventions.
Yung number one talaga yung acceptance. Pero hindi natin maiaalis na minsan sa society natin may nagdi-discriminate pa rin sa kanila. How do you handle that?
And that is a challenge that we are trying to change. No? I think it works hand in hand. First, people have to understand, yung parents, and then they can give their children a better chance to become more normal and to behave better and to develop themselves. And then the society will also see them as better persons and then learn to accept them more and at the same time give them more chances.
Tsaka eventually kasi kung maayos naman yung pagtrato, they grow up having yung magandang careers din and working in good offices. And does that happen? Or even education, no?
Well, they have limitations then. No? I will not promise na pagka maganda ang intervention and all that, maganda ang magiging result. Of course, it will be better. No? Pero, of course, we have to manage yung expectations then. No? Having said that, what children were unable to do before, ngayon nagagawa nila. There are so many kids who have actually nagiging movie actors pa sila and all that. There have been so many movies. And they are also, as you mentioned, capable of working sa mga offices. So currently we have several children who are already working in offices, sa retail and sa restaurant. So these are programs that we tie up with those companies para supportahan nila, bigyan nila ng opportunity yung mga bata.
But at this point po ba, meron kayong na-encounter na iba pang problems, yung aside yung nabanggit ko kanina na discrimination maybe, or anything na kailangan pang gawin ng gobyerno?
Well, definitely yung help ng government is very important. Kasi yung mga katulad ng medical tests na kailangan nila, napakadami. So any help that the parents can get through, whether it's through PhilHealth or other programs, should be very much appreciated by the parents. No? And then therapy is another area na kailangan din ng tulong kasi medyo magastos din ang therapy. But we also encourage parents to learn how to do therapy on their own. Kasi once you learn it from the therapist and you attend the session, 1 oras lang yon, pero kung sa bahay, mas magagawa mo ng tuloy-tuloy. And the impact of the therapy at home is much more than the therapy na 1 hour at the therapy center. So katulad nun, meron naman mga government-funded or aided na therapy centers which we can also avail of.
Okay, so Elmer, anong maipapayo mo dun sa mga parents na may mga anak na may Down syndrome sa ngayon?
Okay, well, number one, tanggapin niyo yung mga anak niyo. Congratulations to all of you parents, kapwa parents na mayroong anak na may Down syndrome. Mahalin niyo sila and look after their welfare. You know, it's different when you treat a person with an illness, and it's different when you love a person first and then think of how you can give that person opportunities. No? So, ang dami nilang pwedeng gawin, and what they can become in the future is really influence or malaking bagay yung part ng parents and society na bigyan sila ng chances para maging mas maganda yung mga buhay nila. And that's our request to everyone.
And if they want to get in touch with you, saan sila pwedeng tumawag? Or
Our telephone number sa Shaw Boulevard, yung office namin, it's 02-895-9642. We can be found on Facebook also. Meron kaming webpage where we have 21,000 members already. Okay. Libre po yun. You can join us. And we have many events. This is the Down Syndrome Consciousness Month, February, which is celebrated every year. And the Down Syndrome Association is more than happy to welcome new parents.